Bitcoin became bullish and Circle was dipping down here like to 97 level. But once the market became bullish, I told the traders that Circle 512 curls, watch the pre-market high breakout. So I bought the Circle at 101.30. As soon as I see the curl, my stops were like $1 stop right there. And as we started to move up, we moved the stops to 101. The first target I gave was 103. Next target was this MTF magnet. So you hold, you sell a little bit, you hold. We pushed through the MTF. We ran all the way to 106. I'm still holding some. 104 was my next target, and the next target was MTF magnet. And Circle held the clouds, held the MTF, is trading at 108 today. So that's over $7 per share in profit. You're risking $1, risking 1,000, making 7 grand. And just like we were ready for the setup, market was bullish, and you have to have big runs. You can't just take the profit and run away. You have to let it work for you so that you get the maximum potential out of that trade. And today it reclaimed the 1 hour clouds. It's been selling for a few days, but definitely today's move was really good on Circle. I've been watching. It was my focus list, filled the gap on the daily chart. This is called the Repeatable 512 3450 curl setup. Once it turns into red to green, fills the gap, it will continue to push. Similarly, P was on our earnings plan, sitting at 2021 MTF, curl over 74, no go under that. So initially P was a short because it was rejecting and dropped to 69 from 72. So I told the trader to short it, but this is where the real trade came in. Once it reclaimed the 512 clouds right here, that's where it became long. So I told the traders, P, close the shorts, curl versus 70. I took a position at 71.70. My stops were like $1 stop. It ran all the way to 77. I sold some at 76.45. You can see here I made almost $5 there, risking 1,000, making 5 grand. As it started to move up, we continued to move our stops up to 17.50 to 72. And once it break 512 cloud, we were out of that day trade. My complete recap here step by step. So P was a beautiful trade for us in the community. Circle was a curl right at the open. P was initially a short and a curl later in the day, midday curl setup. So Zscaler was a day 2 setup. I put it as a top day 2, earnings day 2, bearish bias to short. Only long if we get a curl over 128. Initially, it was a short right here, and then I told the traders to close the shorts, and this is the 512 curls from 124, 125, 3450 curl, pushed over the previous day lows, becomes long again. You could move the stops up, ran all the way to 132. Beautiful trade with the Ripster cloud system. These curl setups are amazing. Master these setups, you will really do good. Sometimes the curls will fail, but when they work, you hold, because you risk one, you're gonna make $5, $6, $10 sometime. Risk 1,000, you wanna make 4 or 5 grand sometime. If it fails, you lose 1 hour. That's fine. But the key is the losers will be small, but the winners will be big.
Come to trade with Ripster. Join the community at www.tenettradegroup.com.